Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Cog Railway. My name is Dakota. I'm your qualified brakeman today, and your engineer's name is John. Now, John cannot see ahead of us on the ascending trip, so it's my responsibility to stand out here to make sure there's nothing wrong with the track and there's zero debris in the way. Well, at brakeman's position on the way up, I do have a brake engaged in the back of our coach, allowing us to only roll up the track. We cannot go rolling back down. And even though it's a 15-minute ride, one way, I will let you guys stand up very shortly if you want to stretch your legs or check things out in the back. Just, of course, make sure you're not playing with the brakes. I really hope you guys had a good time up here, especially with the visibility clearing back up close. Now on the way back down, gravity's not the friend of the descent, so you have to stay within your seats at all times. I have just taken the brakes off so I can actually join the engineer and roll back down. Now we're not actually connected to that train, but on the way down, I'm paying close attention to make sure there's never a separation between us and John, and also make sure there's no mechanical failures occurring on his train. Now if I see either or, without hesitation, I'm hitting the brakes. You're standing, you're flying forward. So again, just make sure you stay seated at all times.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.